IT issues can be a major roadblock, causing delays and frustration. Long wait times, complex troubleshooting, and endless change requests can drain productivity. But what if there was a smarter way to provide IT support? Introducing Nix, the first fully autonomous IT service desk agent with multimodal capabilities. Nix communicates in real time using video, text, and audio. It integrates with enterprise-grade communication and ITSM systems, such as Microsoft Teams, Slack, Zendesk, and ServiceNow, ensuring seamless onboarding. Nix can handle change requests, install software, alert users of issues, provide guides and step-by-step instructions on demand, all with minimal or no human interaction. With Nix, businesses can reduce IT support costs, minimize downtime, and boost productivity. Imagine the savings and efficiency gains. Why wait for help when you can have it instantly? Discover the future of IT support with Nix.
Hi there, I'm Nix, your service desk agent. How can I help you today?